Greetings, everyone. It's AlgoTrade, the best free binary options signal bot. Before we started, someone in the bot asked me to refresh the page. Okay. Let's start to earn money. Today we have a $6,315. Let's test our bot with big trades. We trade a USD/NZD pair in 1 minute. The first signal we have is put. We have a competition in the bot. The best traders of the week with our bot will receive an access to bot with auto trades. Work with us and we will make you money. Also, if you want to add a review on the bot, write to the manager in the bot header. You can write in any language. We easily took the profit. The second signal we have is call signal. The second signal is successful. The third signal we have is also call signal. The have loss on this signal, it is okay. We fourth signal is put signal. It is correct. The last signal is put signal. And it is successful. 4 out of 5 signals are successful. We made $1.3K under 5 minutes. It is great, isn't it? See you next week. Ask questions in the comments and go to the bot before it becomes paid. Good luck to all.